video doorbell is one of the most useful smart home gadgets you can buy. One simple way to safeguard your residence against property theft, home invasion, porch pirates, and unwanted solicitors is to identify who is at your doorstep before you open the door. A video doorbell lets you not only see and speak with a person outside, but also record footage of visitors that approach your door while you are away or unable to answer. These gadgets typically use Wi-Fi to stream live video to your phone and offer high-tech features like cloud video storage, motion detection, sirens, and interoperability with smart locks and other smart home devices. And if you miss the alert, these devices will also record and store the footage in the secure area online so it can be reviewed at a later date. So if you are tucked up on the couch, hard at work in a home or actual office, or sunning on a beach, this device will keep you in touch with what is happening on your doorstep. For this purpose, we have compiled a list of the top 5 doorbell cameras for home, so you can easily choose one for yourself.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
Ring's Video Doorbell 4 provides everything you need from a smart video doorbell. The Ring Video Doorbell 4, which can be battery powered or connected to existing doorbell wiring, has a full HD camera with a 160-degree field of view. This doorbell's 1080 pixels camera gives crisp, clear video in daylight, easily and comfortably letting you see the outside world and the people that approach your door. And it uses 4 infrared LEDs for black and white night video. It also supports Ring's full-color, pre-roll feature that captures a 4-second clip of whatever activity took place before an alert. Plus, it will record video and send a push alert when someone presses the doorbell button or when it detects motion. It also gives clear two-way audio. Furthermore, in the device settings screen, you can configure video quality and notification settings, create privacy zones, and adjust ringer volume settings. However, if you have low voltage wiring and a compatible power transformer 824 VAC, 40 VA max or 50 or 60 Hz already in place, this doorbell can connect to it. This will allow you to use your old doorbell's existing chime. It works seamlessly with Alexa devices and can beam video footage straight to an Echo Show. You can also define specific motion zones. This weather-resistant device works in temperatures ranging from -5 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This Doorbell 4 works with dual-band Wi-Fi, so it works on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Finally, this doorbell is a feature-packed doorbell that will provide clear video footage with plenty of opportunity to tweak alerts and features to your liking. The company's Arlo Essential wear-free doorbell is a video doorbell packed with everything you need to protect your front door. It is easy to install and offers sharp HDR video, voice control, and interoperability with third-party smart devices. The camera lens is located in the top half of the unit with a large doorbell button below this. The doorbell is surrounded by a ring of LEDs that light up when motion is detected or the doorbell is pressed. Thanks to a 180-degree field of view and 1:1 aspect ratio, this doorbell lets you see the full length of the person at your door, including any packages on the ground by their feet. It can also identify whether a person, vehicle, or animal has caused a motion alert and lets you set activity zones so that you're only alerted when the motion is detected in those areas, reducing the number of unwanted alerts. It has a built-in siren to help deter potential intruders that can be set to be activated automatically when motion is detected, or activated manually from the app. Moreover, it is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. One of the most awesome features of this video doorbell is the two-way audio. Plus, this doorbell comes with a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 6 months on one charge, So, with the promise of hassle-free installation plus high-definition video with HDR and night vision, this doorbell can be the ideal way to smarten up your front door. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell provides a clear 2K image and options for cloud and local storage. It has no subscription fees and comes with all the features that pretty much all the other cameras come with. A feature you'll really love about this Eufy hub is that it has built-in Wi-Fi, and the big benefit of that is you can put this device anywhere in your house and get it as close to your door as possible to make sure that the camera has the best signal to the space station and getting the best quality. It also delivers clear two-way audio. It provides a wide view of your front door in a 4:3 aspect ratio and copes well with various lighting conditions. Also, you can record videos locally without uploading to the cloud and access them from anywhere via the Eufy security app on your phone. The onboard AI allows you to limit notifications to people. You can also tweak the sensitivity and set activity zones to reduce unwanted alerts. While you can watch live feeds on both Alexa and Google Smart displays, only Alexa says when someone rings the doorbell. Amazingly, it is the only Eufy doorbell that works with existing mechanical chimes inside your home. This battery-powered doorbell can shoot up to 180 days on a single charge. This device is weatherproofed, it has 16 GB of local storage, and you get detailed notifications with a snapshot notification. Moreover, if you ever find you're having problems seeing the images on the camera, you can enable the WDR feature streaming quality and also set the video encoding format. Overall, crystal clear video, local storage, and a decent set of features will make this an impressive prospect for anyone on a budget. With seamless iOS and HomeKit integration and gorgeous HD visuals, the Logitech Circleview doorbell will be an awesome option for all Apple homes. Through HomeKit Secure Video, this doorbell delivers face recognition, activity zones, smart alerts, and 10 days worth of recorded events, all using your existing iCloud storage plan. It chose to capture HD video from its 5-megapixel sensor in portrait orientation with a 3:4 aspect ratio, measuring 1200 by 1600 pixels. Therefore, it is compact and boasts a 160-degree field of view with a 3:4 portrait aspect ratio that takes in your whole porch and captures visitors head to toe. It is a black rectangle on which you'll find the camera, a light for night vision, motion and light sensors, an LED notification light, the doorbell button with a light ring to let people know where to push, and finally, a bit of branding at the bottom. Also, the entire front is glass, giving it a high-end feel. It does come with a chime kit to hardware your existing indoor doorbell chime. Plus, there's a built-in night vision light that ensures high-quality color video when it is dark. Also, a 4000K LED light strip beneath its lens enables color night vision up to 6 feet from the camera. Included with this doorbell is a flat mount that faces the camera forward, as well as an angled mount. All in all, the Logitech Circleview doorbell will be the best video doorbell for those who use HomeKit. The Wyze video doorbell with chime is one of the most affordable video doorbells you can buy right now. This doorbell comes with a small wired doorbell and a tiny chime box that plugs into a wall outlet. Also, it comes with desirable features like intelligent smart alerts, free local storage, and 1080 pixel video quality. This doorbell comes with a vertical wedge mount and assorted mounting hardware. It uses an IP65 weather-resistant enclosure with a black camera face up top and a square doorbell button at the bottom. The button has an LED indicator that is solid blue when the doorbell is connected to your network, solid yellow when powered up, and flashes blue and yellow when trying to connect. Between the button and the camera is a white LED that lights up when motion is detected. Plus, the camera face holds a microphone and there is a speaker on the bottom of the device. It also provides clear two-way audio. Amazingly, its camera has a 3:4 aspect ratio that delivers you a head-to-toe view of visitors and any package that are sitting on your doorstep. Additionally, it provides 9 different ringtones including classic doorbell chimes, assorted tunes, animal sounds, an intruder alarm, and automation sounds. However, if you are searching for an affordable video doorbell that does the job well enough and you have wiring already in your home, then this doorbell will be the perfect option for you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.